Hi everyone, I'm at Siemens Realize live event, and I have just had a very good chat with Eugenio from ATS Global, and Eugenio will tell us how he find the Siemens Realize live event so far and talk about the offerings of ATS Global. Hi Eugenio, can you maybe introduce yourself first? And
My name is Eugenio Costa. I'm account manager at ATS Italy, the branch of ATS Global. And we are very happy about this show. It was a great opportunity to make networks, to know other vendors and other partners like you, Adam. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So with Eugenio, we are discussing a partnership. Hopefully, in the next few weeks or months, we can start working together.
We'll do it. Certainly, there will be opportunities for productive machines in Italy, working alongside with the Annex Camp and the guys from ATS for the sales force.
And I understand that you are very active in Italy and also Spain, right?
Also in Spain, Spain, the Spanish branch of ATS is doing a very good job on the machine tools and the machine type.
And what is your overall experience? So we are in the third day now. So it's
Last day, yes. I've been presenting with the customer yesterday. Is Andrea. They make two holders and heads for machine tools. A very, very good presentation.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy with this edition.
And what was the highlight of your presentation? Maybe you can share that.
Their new boring system for the defense industry.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And defense is a very difficult industry to work with. Right?
Yes. There are lots of compliances, to work on with defense. But we are very happy with the show in general.
Yeah, but with the things that's happening globally now, defense is really important.
We have a balance now. Automotive is going down, and defense is going up. A lot of customers, new customers from defense that we didn't have, and the slowdown in the automotive industry.
Yeah. It's like cycles, isn't it? So we had the COVID, like aerospace was down. Now aerospace is better. It is going down. Aerospace is going up. Automotive is going down. Defense is going up. So we need to really adapt to this changing conditions all the time.
Absolutely.
And I understand that you are supporting the Siemens users globally. Yeah, their challenges.
Yeah, and the new challenge is the automation, the two-path generation with the help with artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
With a Copilot or automatic generation of new two-paths.
Yeah, there is a lot of work going into the two-path generation. I'm glad to see that there is a lot of companies supporting it. Also, Siemens is working on it.
Yes.
From our side, from productive machine side, we are also happy to support automated toolpath optimization. So once the toolpath is generated, then the next thing is what are the feeds and speeds going to be that will work on a given machine. And as productive machines, we are supporting the clients with the feeds and speeds recommendations that is coming from a physics-based AI. So AI, I agree, will do a lot in this sector because as we discussed before, there's a skills gap problem, and you have to address that.
Yeah, and I think it will be a very good collaboration with you in Italy. I hope so. I look forward to it.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a safe journey to Italy. You too. Nice to meet you.